Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how two people can manage one channel in different devices. Like I'm in my PC, but another person in, like, imagine Italy, in mobile is using this channel too. But how do you do this? A collab channel. So today I'm going to show this how you can do this. So just follow my steps. So first go to your channel, then go to YouTube Studio. Now let's wait. Now we are in settings. Now you can change things here. Let me teach you something. So this is upload default, so I have written this so it will be in every videos. And also promotions, community, agreement, general. So now I'll show you how you can give the permission to them. So all you have to do is to click the invite button, and also this is my face, and here you need to use their email. So if you find their email, you have to ask them for their email, so you can invite them here. Then go here, manager. If you do manager, then they can view, manage, and give permission, go like, create, edit, and use contents. An editor, then they can only view and go like, create, and edit content, can manage permission or delete content. Editor limited, say permissions as editor but can't view, unit, date, can't simulate, editor can add, edit, remove supplies, can view anything else. So you have to put the email, then the person will be here, and then put it. But you have to put this one, then use the Gmail. So guys, I hope this helped. Bye. Assalamualaikum.